Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So how's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. I'm doing fantastic. So I promised you that when I got the anniversary cakes, the Caron anniversary cakes, that's what it's about right now. Oh, I promised you when I got the other 5 I would show you them. So they have a total of 11. I have a video of they got shipped in separate orders. So I have a video of me unboxing the first 6. If you want to see that, link up there. Link up there. If it's not there, it'll be down in the description box or in the comments or somewhere. You should watch it if you haven't seen it. It's cool. But now I'm going to show you the other 5. They're pretty. They're real pretty. You guys ready to see them? So, these came in the mail today. Well, over the past, they came, over days. There's Michael's. They like to separate orders. So does Joanne's. Okay, so if you're not familiar with the Caron anniversary cakes, like I said, you should check out my other video because I talk a little bit more about them. But they are huge cakes of yarn, and they're very, very soft and pretty. I love them, but I collect Caron cakes, so these are like the icing on the cake, if you ask me. The big ones, the bad boys. They have, it's not really a center pole that they have, but they have a piece of plastic wrapped around them and then a sticker that holds the center of the ball. And yeah, it's a bulky 6. I think it's more closer to like a thick 5, maybe a thin 6. But anyways, there's 1,000 grams here, or 1,061 yards of a 100% scarf wool. Smelling clean. Smells clean. Acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic. Now, these are $34.99, so $35. And I know some people are going to say, yikes, wow, no way. No way, Jose, that's too much money. But you got to break it down a little bit. This is bulky number 6. You go to Walmart and say you buy some Alliant Brands, Hometown. It's got like 80 yards in it, I think, for a bulky 6, and I don't know why they want like $3 or $4 for it. So really, you're not paying no more. You're just getting it all in one big ball. So you're not tying in a bunch of ends. Really, it's better if you ask me. Plus, Michael's always has sales where you can get 40% off one item, or some 20% off all your items, or buy one get one half off. It's not hard to find a sale at Michael's. So anyways, I bought all mine online. Michaels.com. I'll show you what the remaining 5 colors. Remember, I encourage you to go watch my other video if you have not, because it's just as fun as this one. Alright, so the color of this one is called Sour Cherry. It's very pretty. Now, these are self-striping cakes. See that? Sour Cherry. I like it. I like the colors. It's pretty much showing up true to color. And my camera does pretty good about that. But it's like cherry colors, a little bit of pinks, and some purplish or mauvey colors. It's a pretty one. I like that one. Nice. This one is called, gosh, these are soft, soft, soft. Nebulas. Again, that is another pretty color. Let's see, I think they have 5 colors, if I can remember. Yeah, here's like a teal blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, teal blue and like a mauve. And then like a, I don't know, whatever you call that, blue, royal blue. And like a greenish color, and then a purple. Ooh, it's got all different colors in that one. I like it. That one's pretty too. Nice. Nice. And then they have this one, which is very pretty too. A lollipop. Lollipop. Ooh. Here we go. Isn't that a beauty? Oh, I like that one. Now that's some pretty yarn. That is pretty. Yellow, blue, green, pink, and orange. It's almost a golden yellow and kind of a pumpkin orange, raspberry color, pink, and like a teal, and then like a royal blue, or yeah, like a royal blue. That's pretty. I like this one. It's hard to choose a favorite, but I do have a favorite. But this, let me look at the other two real quick. That's, these two were in bags. Like I said, I like them all. But, you know, it's hard to pick a favorite sometimes. But I do have a fave. Ooh, this one's pretty too. Tropical butterfly. Oh my. That does look very tropical. And butterfly. That is beautiful. So we got the green, the gray, the yellow, the coral, and like the raspberry. That is a very, very pretty one too. Very, very pretty. I like it. Smells clean. Yep. Okay. Here's the 5th one of this batch for me to show you. Oh, and it is still pretty. Smells clean. Smells clean. Smells clean. This one is called Monstera. Beautiful, beautiful mints and blues. Look at that. So we got like a light minty green and a dark minty green, and then 2 different colors of blue. Does that only have 4 colors? Of course it doesn't. It has to have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It goes back to that dark green again. Oh, no. There's the dark. Light green, medium, mint, light green, and then like a mint green, and then like a dark, or a medium blue, and like a cornflower blue, and then right here is the 5th color hiding. It's like a dark minty green. That's beautiful. Pretty, pretty stuff. Okay, those are the 5 new ones, but there was one that topped them all that I showed in my last video, and I made a blanket out of it. See it on the screen now? Wasn't that pretty? Hey, I have a tutorial for that too. I think it's on the screen, the link. If not, I'll put the link below too. You can make it in any color you want. You can actually make it in any yarn that you want. It's a very easy tutorial, and my, is it ever pretty. But that one was made with this one. But these are my colors. This one's called Chocolate Fountain. It's beautiful. So out of the 11 new colors, this one is my favorite. I initially bought 2. One, I thought one would make my blanket, but it actually took 1.5. And since I collect them, I had to get another one to keep in my collection. so yes, I love it a lot. Now, yes, that is my favorite by far. But if I had to pick a second, it's got to be a tie between these two. The Lollipop and the Tropical Butterfly. Those are both very pretty. But don't get me wrong. These are all gorgeous. Every single color that they have. And remember, if you want to see the other 6, you can head on over to my other video. Links below. I love them. Check out that tutorial. Check out all my other tutorials. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button and give me a share. I always appreciate all that. And I want to tell you one more thing. Today is 10/4/2021. They have 3 new Caron cakes. I'm a Caron cake fanatic. It is the only yarn that I collect every variety and every single color of. They have 3 new Caron cakes and one that they brought back from a few years ago. One of them is named Crystal Cake. That's me. That's my cake. I mean, it's not my cake. I don't have anything to do with yarn inspirations. But it's called Crystal Cake. It's a crystal Caron cake. I collect I get any yarn that is called crystal. But being a crystal Caron cake, it makes it even better. It's sparkly too. I love sparkly. So when those become available, they're online at Michael's right now. They have the crystal cakes. They brought back the tea cakes. They used to have them. And then they quit making them, but they did bring those back. And then they have 2 new ones. I forgot the names of them because I was so excited about the crystal cakes. When those, right now they're not available to ship, and they're not at my Michael's. But as soon as they are, I will get them, and I will do a review on them. I'm stalking Michael's website until I can get them. All right? And when I do, you guys will be the first to see them. See them here first at Bagoday. You see the new yarn here first. That's why you got to subscribe. Or I try. I don't always make it first, but I try to get here. I try to get the new yarn first. But since I live so far away from stores, I always have to order online. So sometimes I'm not first, but maybe I'm second or third. But still, come here and watch mine. It's awesome. Watch everybody else's too, because we like to help each other out. Thanks everybody. I'll see you guys later, okay? Have a good night. Stay safe.